So I just wanted to show everybody. You can see, I guess you can't see, but I can feel it. The snow and the ice. Maybe you can see this where the water's running. Where it's starting to melt. The road's very dangerous at my house. I know you can't see this, but look. Pure ice. Pure ice. It's all over my road. Don't see anybody driving around or nothing. I mean, I'm afraid to walk on the road. Let's go up here. There's my wife's car where we slid into the driveway last night after we took a little adventure. I don't know if you can see the glossiness on the ice on the road. Yeah, not going to go any further, man. It just looks too dangerous. Alright, there you go.